What do you think to that for a view, eh guys? How's it going, Carol? You're not crashed yet?
I think I just clipped a few leaves, that's all.
Yes. She nearly hit a tree. Took a few leaves off. Where's Andy gone? See this stick? It's invisible.
Is it?
Yeah.
I can see
Can I hold on to my invisible stick?
I can see the stick.
Completely invisible.
I was going to say Andy's invisible as well now. He was there. That's a bit weird.
Oh no. Yeah. See an orange shirt lurking. Lurking in the bushes. Right, back on the bikes, back over Glencoe and back towards Killam. But a pretty special place, I think you'll agree.
Yeah, down there.
Very special spot just there.
It's a beautiful spot, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. Completely tucked away where you'd never find it. Unless you're watching one of my videos, of course. Oh, look at the sun on it here. I hope this Insta camera is working, capturing
Getting
it.
that view.
Yeah. Look at that. Clear way, so you can't park anywhere down here.
It's a bit narrow, isn't it? It feels narrow even on motorbikes down here.
It does feel quite narrow, doesn't it? Just a special, really special place, even for Scotland this is, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful. Absolutely stunning.
Can't believe we've never seen this before.
Sights you see.
Need to put my sun shield down there. Sun shield down and visor up because it's stonking hot.
Take it you didn't see the naked woman sunbathing there then?
Naked woman sunbathing? Have I missed it?
I think you
Really?
You must have done because you didn't comment.
You're honestly,
Honestly.
you're having me on.
She was definitely topless, even if, I don't know whether she was
I
wearing
missed it.
You missed it, yes.
Shit.
Oh dear.
Why didn't you shout, naked woman? To the right.
Like I'm going to encourage you to see.
You'll get me crashing, won't you? Naked woman?
Back on the normal road now, I think.
Aha. Can't believe that. So much for my observations, eh?
You'll have to see which way the camera was looking, whether you captured it or not.
That's the trouble, it's not fixed on 360, it's fixed on a 150 view. And you bet your life that 150 view's missed that.
Wasn't looking in the right direction.
Oh
dear.
Looking straight ahead.
That's
You don't get much better weather for a run up out of a Glencoe, do you?
it's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Somewhere like this, it makes you realise how small and insignificant we are.
Oh, we are small and insignificant, yeah.
Grand scheme of things. Just a little dot.
You see right down that valley to your right. Just looks amazing. Is this the Tulla now?
Yeah, it's like pulling in.
And you go down near those bikes to get the view. Oh, I thought there was a curb there, I just can't keep going. No curb.
A bit too close now. Oh well, it'll have to do.
Whew. What a fantastic spot.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've still got a little way to go, but I think I'll round the video up for today. All I'll say is thank you very much for watching. There should be some more to come of Scotland. Thanks a lot and cheers for now.
Bye.
Bye bye.